Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing the blinking brake lights light bulbs for the tail lights. So let's see. Already opened it. So these are the bulbs right here itself. They're LEDs. Pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. A little card. This is it right here. And then I believe I got a sticker as well. Yeah, it's this one right here. I think that should be it. Yeah, that's it. So it's a pretty simple install as well. Just have to, well, normally you have to take off the clips that are right here. It's about 4 clips, but mine don't have them, so just easy. And alright, let's see. For the tail lights, it should be this one right here. Let's see. This right here. So you just twist it, take it out, easy. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to twist the bulb as well. If you're holding it like this, twist it to the left. There's like a little, I don't know if you can tell right there, there's like a little lock. Twist it to the left. Let me just do it really quick. Just like that. So just like that right there. Just take it out. Easy. Set it aside and then let me open the new ones right now. Don't need scissors or anything. So this is the difference right here. It's the old OEM. Oh, I think it's OEM. And then is the new LED one. Usually for the blinking brake lights you will need like a sort of module, but I believe this one it's already inside here. So let's see, let me just put it back right now. Alright, so just like that, easy. Just twist it back in as well, and then twist it back. Gotta find it. And it should be on. So why not just do a before and after of the regular light and then the LED one. Alright, so this is gonna be the OEM ones, both of them. This is with the new blinking brake lights. Now if you want to pick some of these up, just go to blinkingbrakelights.com. I believe they should be about $30, less than $30, $26.99 for the bulbs plus tax. And then if you're looking for integra bulbs like this, it should be the size 1157. Alright, later.